As an actor, mirror is very important for me. It has always played a very important role. You know, whenever I see a mirror, I can see myself in it, and I can be Shano, Rubab, Ghazala, or any other character that I have to play in theater. That's where my journey started from. So one day I was in front of a mirror and I was rehearsing some dialogues, and एक आवाज मुझे सुनाई दी while I'm looking at mirror. And वो आवाज थी कि तुम्हें लीड रोल तो नहीं मिलेगा जब तक तुम वाइटनिंग इंजेक्शन नहीं लगवाओगी. और ये आवाज़ बहुत रियल आवाज़ थी जो मुझे किसी ने कही थी जब when I started my journey into TV from theater. I don't have anyone very powerful in the industry. I'm not connected. I'm very much self-made, coming from a doctor's family where my mother always thought that drama to karna kanjar khana. I'm sorry to say I'm saying this, but that's what they say. You know, so marasiyon ka kaam hai, it's not good, of course. And I understand. Now I understand that why she used to say that and why she was concerned about me as a girl. Now that I'm part of this industry, now I know. So I don't fault her for anything. I know this is a hard journey. So when I was looking at the mirror, this voice just popped up. And I was rehearsing for dialogues, and the voice was like so clear and loud, which was like, lead role to nahi milega. गोरा तो होना पड़ेगा. थोड़े दांत भी दो, मेरे बनी वाले दांत हैं आगे पीछे, थोड़े पीछे की तरफ हैं, which I like. But somebody also said to me कि ये तुम अपने दांत जो है ना वो एक जैसे करवा लो, equal. अभी I'm just coming into the industry. This is a very start. My second project I'm talking about. And I'm trying to, you know, just ignore this voice. And I'm like, no, I need to focus. I need to focus. Okay, so ये मेरा dialogue है और मैं शानों का किरदार अदा कर रही हूँ और मैंने बोलनी है रांगरी ज़ुबान, जो कि first time ever I was speaking. I don't know if you guys have watched जिंदो drama. Anyone? Okay, so I'm talking about that. जिसका एक dialogue था, शायद आपने reel देखी हो, because a lot of people have watched reel because of Rubab. But इश्क सीखना कूना पड़े अम्मा, वो वाला dialogue जो था उसका, that's रांगरी ज़ुबान. And then I go back to the character, and then another voice pops up, and it's of my mother. And she's like, what are you gonna do? कुछ भी नहीं कर सकती तुम, क्या करोगी तुम? You're not that good. And you're not that good looking. शक्ल देखिए तुमने. And I'm like, what? What? Another voice? Okay. Focus, focus, focus. We need to focus. Then I realized one thing while I was rehearsing for the dialogue. I was like, यार मैं शीशे में देख रही हूँ और आवाज़ मुझे कहीं और से आ रही है. लेकिन मैं सुन रही हूँ और मैं शीशे में देख भी रही हूँ. So I was thinking that who is this person who is looking into the mirror, and who is this person who is hearing the sound and this voice coming out of I don't know where. There is someone that is looking, there is someone that is hearing, there is someone that is watching the mind. But it's not you. You're not your mind. You're not these voices. You're not, you know, आप मिरर में देख रहे हैं किसी को तो कभी आप बहुत अच्छे लग रहे होते हैं, कभी आप बहुत सैड लग रहे होते हैं, कभी आप डिप्रेस लग रहे होते हैं, कभी आप बहुत प्यारे लग रहे होते हैं. मगर वो जो आप देख रहे होते हैं, वो जो आपके सामने एक ढांचा है जिसको आप देख रहे हैं, वो आप नहीं हैं. क्या आप वो हैं या आप वो हैं जो देख रहा है या सुन रहा है? So there I came to this realization because I switched from one role to another. I also do drama therapy, psychodrama from US. That's what I learned from US. And I was using acting for social change. That's my background. For 18 years, I've done that. TV, I started very late because my mom was not letting me do it. And when my father passed away, my mom was like, ab jo karna hai kar lo, so I did it. So that's why I'm here. Like, I did 3-4 projects. But I realized that, okay, so I am not my mind and I am not these voices because the voices comes from mind. Then who am I? I'm shifting roles. I can be Shano, I can be Rubab, I can be Ghazala, I can be Huntress in the New York film, I can be the Invisible Cities, the role I played in New York, I can play something else. I can be evil, I can be good, but is this like me? Does it define that this is me, or it is just outside me? It's an illusion. So I realized when it comes to uncertainty or anything in life, for me, and guys, please, I'm not here to preach. I'm just sharing my own experience so far. I have realized that everything is illusion. It's just like your mind can create a lot of stuff and, now it's up to you. You want to be an actor or an observer. If I want to be an actor, then I can go act and be like whatever I want to be. I can respond to the channels. Sometimes I do, though. Sometimes I become an actor. Or I can just, let it be, and I just can be myself and just, be that zen, and I can just stay with myself. So I chose to be observer. A lot of people ask me a question that, okay, how do you get into the character? What is your technique? I've learned method acting. That's my technique. That basically what method acting is for me is to just become that person. But it's not acting. I don't act, to be very honest. For example, for Rubab, I was not acting Rubab. I was just being there, and I was letting Rubab to act through me. So whatever you want to do in life, you have to be just present, be an observer. Now, the question is how to be an observer. How can we be, is that okay if we do a small exercise here? Are you guys ready for that? You guys have your cell phone? चलो करते हैं फिर जल्दी से, ताकि थोड़ा सा और ये अभी मुझे लगता है कि बात हम जितनी करते हैं जब तक उसको थोड़ा एक्सरसाइज एक्सपीरियंस खुद फील ना करे, सो वी कांट रियली अंडरस्टैंड दैट. एंड आई डोंट वांट टू बी प्रीची, एज आई सेड. There might be people thinking, what is she saying? Nothing is real, because amazing speakers said amazing stuff, but I do feel that uncertainty is an illusion. And I think a lot of things in life, mostly human existence to a lot of level, I think is an illusion. And I think our test is how we react or respond to this illusion. There is a quote, die before you die and you realize there is no death, I think that our soul, our main soul, जो हमारे कल्ब के अंदर पाई जाती है, वो इतनी ज़्यादा कनेक्टेड है सोर्स से, जो अल्लाह की तरफ से आई है, जो हम जानते हैं. और वो उसके मसाइल ये हैं ही नहीं. ये एक इस डायमेंशन में थोड़ी देर के लिए हमें ये टेस्ट दिया गया है इस माइंड को दे के कि चलो देखें ये क्या होता है. ये माइंड चीज़ें क्रिएट करता है. आपका माइंड कैन क्रिएट सो मैनी थिंग्स. यू वर्ड अबाउट मैनिफेस्टेशन, एफर्मेशंस, ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. येस, योर माइंड कैन क्रिएट इट, बट आर दे रियल? People die. I've lost some of my very close people. I've lost my loved one during the shoot of Kabhi Main Kabhi Tum. And then I had to come back and finish the drama. And in that journey, my eyes were open, and I realized that, if you are sincere with your craft, if you want to finish the work, you're expecting that, I went through so much, maybe people should be considerate about it, but no, and it's okay. Now I know that because nothing is real. It's just all illusion. It's a test, temporarily. So that's my point of view about uncertainty, where you can be very certain about things. How do you even know that that's going to be certain, Who knows? What are we even thinking, right? Okay. So अपने मोबाइल फोन्स निकालिए और बताइए कौन सा फोन है आपके पास. जस्ट मोबाइल फोन निकालें. सबके पास है हाथ में? Awesome. Okay. So there is this, since I do psychodrama, and I'm not a psychologist or anything, but in my journey of doing theater of the oppressed and psychodrama, I came across this amazing form of therapy, which is called internal family system. Have you guys heard about it? Okay. Have you guys heard about Al-Ghazali? Do you guys know his philosophy about qalb and different types of nafs? Yes? Okay. So let me give you a lecture on that. So internal family system, briefly मैं आपको बताती हूँ, जो कि कई चीज़ें साइकोलॉजी में मैंने जितनी पढ़ी हैं, मुझे रियलाइजेशन हुई है कि उसका जो बैकग्राउंड है वो रिलीजन से ज़रूर कहीं ना कहीं कनेक्टेड है. हॉलीवुड में इतनी बड़ी बड़ी फिल्म्स बनती हैं बाय द वे, जिसमें बाइबल, कुरान, तौरा से बहुत सी चीज़ें निकाली गई हुई हैं. सो इन द एंड, एज आई मेंशन, वी आर गोइंग टू दैट सोर्स, सो एवरीथिंग कम्स फ्रॉम दैट. सो इंटरनल फैमिली सिस्टम इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ थेरेपी वेयर देयर इज़ वन सेल्फ, जो आपकी सेल्फ है, एंड देयर आर डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ सेल्फ. which can come out anytime, any point of your life to protect you. They act like council members. There's one leader, that is the self, but there are different parts that can come out, that can pop up, you know. It can be anything. It can be the voice which is discouraging you from something, telling you, hey, you can't do this. You're not good at it. Just stop it right here. Or it can be something which is saying that you can't trust him. You're really good, but he's not good. It can be anything. सेम यही चीज़ अल-ग़ज़ाली की फ़िलॉसफी में बताई गई है, जिसको कहते हैं कल्ब. कल्ब के अंदर रूह होती है, अकॉर्डिंग टू हिज फ़िलॉसफी, एंड जो कल्ब है वो सेल्फ है, सेम एज लीडर. और कल्ब के भी डिफरेंट पार्ट्स हैं, नफ्स लवामा, नफ्स डिफरेंट, जो ईगो है उसके डिफरेंट जो है डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हुए हुए हैं, एंड दे कम अक्रॉस. बिकॉज अल्लाह क्रिएटेड एवरीथिंग, आई बिलीव दैट नथिंग इज़ बैड. I believe that whatever Allah creates, because we have to return to the source, so everything is part of the game, you know, and it's okay. These are all mind-made up things. हमारा जो mind है वो इस दुनिया में जब बच्चा आता है उसके बाद से लेके जब हम बड़े होते हैं तो बहुत सी चीज़ों से गुजरता है. और इस्लाम में भी कुछ ऐसी चीज़ों का टेस्ट हम पे नहीं है, जैसे जिस एनवायरनमेंट में हम पैदा हुए हैं उसका टेस्ट हम पे नहीं है. सो जो हमारी एनवायरनमेंट है, हमारे पेरेंट्स हमें जैसे रेज करते हैं, या एक बच्चा है जो कहीं एडिक्ट्स की फैमिली में पैदा हुआ तो ही इज़ एन एडिक्ट राइट नाउ, यू नो. सो उसका टेस्ट जो होगा वो डिफरेंट जर्नी होगी उसकी. तो ना हम किसी को जज कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि हमारा माइंड जो है वो सोसाइटल चीज़ों पे बनता है. बट क्या ये माइंड जिस चीज़ों पे बनता है, इज़ इट रियल और नॉट, दैट्स द क्वेश्चन. All the parts that comes in front of you. अभी आपने एक एक्सरसाइज की है, उसके बाद आप जब अकेले अपने साथ बैठेंगे, कभी भी आप अनसर्टेन हो किसी चीज़ के बारे में, this is a giveaway I'm giving it to you. Just keep it with you. Do this exercise. Sit down and think about it, and just like, you know, be present. Not think about it. Just be present in that moment, and let the part come in front of you, and talk to that part. Be compassionate. Because remember, self-love, self-compassion, अगर आप करेंगे तो सब कुछ है. Everything is inside. It's true, guys. It's not a myth. It's not something, people are not making you fool. Everything is inside. आपके अंदर ही सब कुछ है. और अगर अंदर से ठीक है ना, अगर आप अपने पार्ट्स को सुन रहे हैं, हम कहते हैं ना, यार मैं उससे बात करना चाह रहा था, उसने मुझे सुना नहीं, इग्नोर कर दिया. बहुत सी ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं जिसमें आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं लोगों से, you know. But you have to expect from yourself. How are you dealing with your parts? You know, are you good with them? Are you there? Are you present? Are you listening to them? Right? So are you guys going to do this? And trust me, this girl, someone told me that you lost your father. I'm so sorry for that. But I also want to say one thing, that death doesn't exist like that. I have lost someone very close to my life, and I was very uncertain. When I came back for this drama, I didn't know, I live in New York. I got a scholarship in 2012 to study media studies, and went there. I was doing theater that time too. I worked with United Nations with UN Women for women rights, and I did psychodrama over there. But when I came to this drama, I didn't know. I was just like being an actor, doing my job. On the set of this drama, I lost someone who was love of my life, and I didn't know what to do. I had to go back and, you know, arrange the funeral and everything, and very much uncertain, right? But when I went through all the process of life and death, and I've seen death so closely, I realized that death is not the death. It's the transition, intiqal jisko hum bolte hain. It's real. And in that realm, in that dimension, जो कि बरज़ख है, जो बीच का realm है, 7 हमारी जो layers हैं, dimensions जो हैं, उस dimension में कोई uncertainty नहीं है, क्योंकि mind नहीं है, time नहीं है, इधर है. That's the test. And test ये नहीं है कि ये सब illusion है. Test ये है how you respond to it. And respond कैसे करना है? To be an observer. इतनी सी बात है. That's the surrender. Alarm बज गया मेरा. So that's the surrender, to just be there. Submit to his will. What is his will? He doesn't want you to act and be like, these all things, okay, go for it. Aap students hain. Reach for your aim, do whatever. But trust me, guys, I can tell you this thing. There will be a point جب آپ وہ سب چیز آپ جو چاہتے تھے نا, اب میں چاہتی تھی اچھا میں نے یہ کرنا ہے, میں نے وہ کرنا ہے, میں نے کافی حد تک وہ چیزیں کر لی ہیں اور میں نے اتنے قریب سے چیزیں دیکھ لی ہیں کہ I'm like what, this is what I was trying to do. Everything comes to one end. Surrender to his will, be an observer, let him act through it. You don't have to act. Love you all. Thank you so much for listening to me, for being present with me. Thank you so much for being present with yourself. Please be present with yourself. Give yourself this time. We are stuck in this world for now. But trust me, one day we all will be free and I will see you guys on the other side. Love you.